All right, I'm finna start prepping to clean the kitchen for the nightly clean. So Darnell just finished cooking the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and get this grill clean and put up and wipe down the countertops. I pretty much already wiped down all the seasoning and put it back up here with Dawn. And yeah, so now I'm about to clean this and get the kitchen and the sink cleaned out. I've already drained, that's what you see here, drained that because he ran water on it to clean some of the seasoning off, so it won't be so difficult to clean it. So let's see. Hi everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing awesome. So today I would like to share my first nightly routine here in our home back in the States. We don't have all of our household goods, but nonetheless, I still wanted to share with you somewhat of our nightly routine. We're getting back into a swing of things, getting back settled in, and so come join us on our first nightly routine. I pretty much got my kitchen wiped down. We're just gonna eat dinner. We're just gonna have a very simple dinner. So set the table up, and this is like prep work, so we won't have that much to do afterwards. But as you see, we don't really have that much stuff in here, so we gotta gather all the chairs that's everywhere and bring them back, because we gotta move the chairs around because we still don't have nothing in this house. But anyways, I like to clean up after we cook. Then it makes life so much easier. So that's what I just did.
Thanks for the privacy.
What it stands for, like, that's just right. Which covers full tuition, fees, reward supplies, and a $10,000 Richmond fund. Which is crazy. You just don't laugh at things.
Yeah, because it's not funny.
You're the only one laughing though.
You should get.
That's really funny to entertain other people. They're just laughing.
You make jokes and you still don't laugh at them.
Don't have to.
Why would you laugh at your own joke though? You're like, you're the only one that needs to laugh.
That's the reason you laugh at it. It's funny. Okay, I am going to start cleaning the kitchen. We are still forever grateful for having this loaner table so we can sit down still and have a dinner and catch up with the children from school. But as you see, I don't have anything major to do but just clean these little dishes. I'm gonna hand wash them and lay it to dry. And I'm gonna pack up that chicken, that leftovers, only a few pieces. Probably eat that for lunch tomorrow. And then we'll be done. I'm gonna also clean the floors, Swiffer really quickly, and vacuum. So let's go. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining us on this.
Out of breath?
Yes. I'm tired.
We call this a sleep vlog.
Oh, what?
Sleep vlog. Because everybody know you was in filming. It's all great, you know.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us on this nightly routine. It feels so good to be trying to get back to somewhat normalcy. Yeah, so this is it. I am putting these little dishes up right here, and my night is done. I'm gonna take me a long hot bath and relax. I have a tub now, you guys. I have a tub in my bathroom, at least, you know. Feels so good. I do need to get my
what do you call that? What do you want? You just take a bath.
Say hi to YouTube. What's up, YouTube?
Go take a bath. I'm done. Nice and good. I will speak to you guys very soon. If you guys like these type of hanging out with us nightly routine videos, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, make sure you click the bell, and I will speak to you guys very soon. Much love from us, and we will speak to you guys soon. Bye.